Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a fake WhatsApp account. So let's see. Go to your WhatsApp first. Agree and continue. Use a different number. Don't use your number. Okay, use a different number. Now you can see here you have to put here a number. So how to get the number I'm gonna show you. Click on Chrome or any browser. Sorry, not this one. Right here fake numbers. You can see here receive SMS online, this one. Go to this one, scroll down and you will find many country with their numbers. Okay, choose a different country. I'm choosing this one just to show you. This is not sure that you will open an account, but it may work sometime for someone. If you're lucky, it may hit for you. So I'm choosing this one. Open it. You can see here a number. Copy this and you can see here the messages which is come in that phone. You can search here for the WhatsApp. Let's see if that guy already used WhatsApp or not. Verification for WhatsApp, this one. Okay, already that guy used this code for WhatsApp, so this number will not work. You have to choose another. Okay, you have to choose another and find another one. Which number already is not used for WhatsApp, that number will work. So this is how you can find numbers for fake WhatsApp accounts. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching the video.